I must say, I must say, I must say. Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about Blocktopia. I must say, this has been one of my most resilient holdings throughout Bitcoin sell-off. I mean, I got in around 9.6 or 9 cents, and I had to take a ride down here. I had to take a ride down to the 5 cents. So I saw a 40% decline. I didn't look at it, but I was very bullish on Block, and I still am bullish on Block. Blocktopia has one of the most beautiful metaverse buildings that I've seen to date. I mean, I like how it's realistic more than anything else that I've seen. I've seen all these little games and they look like it doesn't look realistic like Block. And so I really think Block is gonna be one of the leading metaverse tokens in the future. So or one of the leading metaverse options in the future. So definitely hold on to your coins if you got them now. This is just the beginning. So I'm looking at this price action and it looks so bullish. I mean, if you realize, if you've been holding Block, we had upward price action just explode while Bitcoin was selling off, while everything was selling off. This was the only thing in my portfolio that was green. At this point in time, it looks like Block is trying to find its way up to 14 cents, and Bitcoin's not giving them an easy time at it. Looks like it's a lot of consolidation right now. And what happens is consolidation happens before we find our next pump up. Before we find our next big green candle. So what's likely to happen is we're gonna burst through this one right here, that 382. We're gonna burst through the 382. We're gonna probably find some support here at the 382, and then we're going for 14 cents. Once we go for 14 cents, we might go straight through it and go straight past the all-time high. Especially after Bitcoin starts to run again, we're going to see a lot of money come back into Block. At this time, I'm very bullish on Block. So I'll be looking for price action at least at 26 cents in January or February. And I would be looking to make a decision on it if you're going to be holding through Bitcoin's correction or whatever you want to do. But Block is a long-term hold for me. I will be taking profits in the future. It's just, you have to leave something there. But why not sell high and buy back low? It is a possibility. Just like whoever bought, on this pump, they made money. And if you're holding long term, you can buy more coins by just selling up here and buying it back down right here or here. You can earn more coins long term. You might not be right all the time, but to me, I think it's better to sell up here and buy back down here, specifically because of logic. Hodling and not, caring about what your coins do, if they go up or down, if they sit in a bear market and lose value. To me, it's not smart. So I like to get the most value for my money. So if I can pay attention to price action and benefit it as much as possible from making the decision to take profit, that's what I'm going to do. Blocktopia looking very bullish. We just have to get above this 382. It looks like we can do it as long as we have a nice thrush, a nice green candle, get us through. Then we're looking at 14 cents. As of right now, we just hope this does not come rejection, because as of right now, we have seen some green candles come up here. If you look closely, we have had some rejection here in the past. So we're just looking for that next candle to blast through, and we're shooting right to 14 cents, which will put us at a 30% profit more from where we're at. And like I said, being patient, we're going back past the all-time high of 18 cents and right up to 24 to 26 cents by January or February. That's what I'm pretty much sure of. If we don't, probably a top out maybe at 22 cents. We never know. We never know. We might have more resistance right at the 18 cents line. So just make sure you're making yourself aware about your action plan for what you're going to do with your holdings, okay? Like, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. Cheers.